Hello dear students, today we'll start exercise 22E which relates to the circumference of the circle. So you can see this is one circle. So the outermost boundary is called circumference. The outermost boundary is called circumference and the distance between the two ends is called diameter. So this whole part from here to here is diameter. And what is radius? Half of diameter is radius. So this part, from this part, this to this part is your radius, and we denote radius by r, and we denote diameter by d. Clear students? So in this exercise we'll be doing questions related to circumference. So what is the formula for finding circumference of circle? 2 pi r. This is the sign of pi. We write pi in this manner, or we can write this way also, pi, like r. So this is how we write pi. So 2 pi r. So what is the value of pi? I think you know r now. R is radius, and okay, 2 times. So pi the value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay, or we can take 3.14 also. When we divide 22 by 7, we'll get 3.14. So you can take the value of pi either 22 by 7 or 3.14. So let us do one question so that you can understand the concept of circumference, how to find circumference. Let us see one question, exercise 22E, given in page number 281. Clear? So here you can see, find the circumference of each circle. Clear? Number 1, we have to take pi 22 by 7, and in question number 2 you have to take pi 3.14. So I am taking question number 1 first. So take pi 22 by 7. We will take the value of pi 22 by 7. So in this question, diameter is given 49 centimeter. So you can see in the formula of circumference, you can see that the formula is 2 pi r. So we need r. But in question, diameter is given. So to find radius, what we do? We divide diameter by 2, so that we will get radius. So here diameter is 49. So 49 divided by 2, you will get 24.5 centimeter. So now you will write formula of circumference, that is 2 pi r. So value of pi is 22 by 7 multiplied r. How much we got r? 24.5. So we put the value here. So when we multiply, we'll get 154. So circumference equals to 154 centimeters. So this way the circumference of a circle is calculated when pi is given 22 by 7. Now let us see question number 2. So in question number 2 you can see, take pi 3.14. Now you have to find a circumference when pi is taken 3.14. So diameter in this question number 1. So diameter is given 15 centimeters. Similarly, you have to find radius as we did in question number 1. So you have to find radius now. So radius how we will find out? Diameter by 2. So diameter was 15. So when we divide by 2, we will get radius, that is 7.5 centimeter. Now we use the formula, circumference equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into, what is the value of pi? 3.14. And what is the value of radius? We got 7.5 into 7.5. When you multiply them, you will get 47.1 centimeter. So this way question number 1 and question number 2 is done. So students, now we'll do question number 9. So the question number 9 is, the diameter of a bicycle wheel is 35 centimeter. So there is one wheel. So wheel is in the form of circle. So the diameter of that wheel is given 35 centimeter. So what distance will it cover in 100 revolutions? So first let us see this part. So the diameter of a bicycle is given, bicycle wheel is given 35 centimeters. So we have to find what distance it will cover. So to find what distance it will cover, we have to find the boundary of the bicycle. That is, we have to find the circumference of the bicycle. So bicycle wheel. So this is the bicycle wheel. So first we have to find the circumference of this bicycle wheel. Then only we can find out what distance will it cover in 100 revolutions. So we have to find the circumference first. So given diameter of the bicycle, how much? Bicycle wheel 35 centimeters. So diameter is given. Now to find radius, what we do? We divide diameter by 2. So 35 by 2, we got radius 17.5 centimeter. Now we will use the formula, circumference equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7. So we'll take pi 22 by 7 into 17.5, that is r. Just now we got 17.5. So when we multiply, we will get 110 centimeter. So the boundary, that is the circumference of the wheel is, bicycle wheel is 110 centimeter. Now we have to find out what distance will it cover in 100 revolution. So in one revolution, the distance covered will be how much? 110 centimeter. And when the bicycle will cover 100 revolution, when it will do 100 revolution, what will be the distance? So distance will be 110 into 100. So when you multiply, so distance covered in 100 revolution will be 110 into 100. So one revolution it takes, that is distance it covered is 110 centimeter, because the distance, that is the boundary, is how much? 110 centimeter. But here it is asked, what is the distance covered in 100 revolution? So one revolution if it's taking 110 centimeter, so in 100 revolution how much it will take? 110 into 100, that is 11,000 centimeter. When we will convert it into meter, so 11,000 divided by 100. When we divide by 100, we'll get the answer in meter. So in the book, the answer is given in meter. So I have converted 11,000 centimeter into 110 meter. You can take centimeter also. Answer is correct. But if you want, you can convert it into meter as well. That is 11,000 divided by 100. You will get 110 meters. So this way, question 9 is done. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.